A U.S. Air Force F-15C fighter jet performs a steep turn just a few feet over the runway. A heavy AirX Airbus A340-300 struggles to get airborne before reaching the runway end. A Lufthansa Airbus A320 suffers an engine failure just after passing V1 decision speed. A British Airways Boeing 777-300 nearly experiences a tail strike after severe oscillations. A skilled Nippon cargo pilot wrestles down a Boeing 747-8 during a turbulent storm. A Sun-class Airbus A321 suffers a hard landing, damaging the gear assembly beyond repair. A Lufthansa Airbus A380 creates stunning wing condensation during a foggy morning arrival. A DHL Airbus A330-200 suffers an engine compressor stall during takeoff rotation. An Aer Lingus Airbus A330-300 encounters heavy wind shear, destabilizing the aircraft. An Emirates Airbus A380 pilot flares a touch too late, causing a short and firm landing. A National Airlines Airbus A330-200 collides a light pole while taxiing in for parking. An American Airlines Boeing 737-800 rejects takeoff at high speed after a main tire blows. Virgin Atlantic Airbus A350-1000 pilots refuse to go around after a massive floater. A Northrop B, 2 Spirit flies in low-level formation with 2 fighters. A KLM Asia Boeing 777-300 gets battered by strong crosswind gust moments before landing. A LATAM cargo Boeing 767-300 almost touches down before the runway threshold. A Cathay Pacific Airbus A350-1000 encounters low-level wind shear, causing a hard landing. An American Airlines Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner suffers minor damage after the tug catches fire. An Ethiopian cargo Boeing 777-200 experiences strong pilot-induced oscillations before landing. An Air France Airbus A350-900 suffers a heavy tail strike during a failed go-around attempt. A Finnair Airbus A321 nearly suffers an engine strike while landing in challenging crosswinds. A Jetstar Boeing 787-8 bursts a tire on takeoff, preventing the gear from being retracted.